Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over a meme coin, ticker symbol SKBDI, and the name of the token is the Skibidi toilet. And yes, amazing meme coin here on the Solana blockchain that just got a very big central exchange listing just yesterday, October 9th, and we're going to go over the information on the SKBDI token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is listed on a whole bunch of different places. So you can find the token on SolScan, since it's a Solana meme coin. But if you are looking for the price, the chart, all that type of information, you can find them on DEX Tools, DEX Screener, Birdeye, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, all over the place. Market cap for this token is $35.5 million. That is also their fully diluted valuation. They're doing well today. They're up 13.19% today. They have a 24-hour trading volume today of $4.4 million. They've had 10,449 transactions. Token price right now is about 47.4 cents per token. They have $913,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium, and according to DEX Screener, 99.47% of the total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see. Now, it's not a new token, although it's still, going strong, still very popular, huge trading volumes, all that type of stuff. The token pair was actually created 9 months, 17 days ago on Raydium. And, but there is a community claim here recently, a couple months ago, even though it was created, 9 months ago, just in May, at the end of May 27th, 2024. It says community takeover. A community claimed ownership of this token May 27th. It says the dev was too busy watching Skibidi toilet on YouTube and got flushed. Community decided to get together and revive the project in honor of this meme. So this token here just got a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. So just yesterday, October 9th, at 9:30 a.m. UTC time, full trading was enabled for this token on Coinex Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Coinex Global account, I do have a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Coinex Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol SKBDI, and then simply just buy the token. Now I am going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project. 1,376 tweets, blue verified check mark, at SKBDI Toilet has the contract address right there. A link to their a link to their Telegram, link to their webpage. This Twitter just joined in February 2024, 2,430 followers, and they are followed by Coinex Global And if you scroll down, you're going to find a Twitter community, an X community that you could join as well. So there's a pinned tweet here. It says, we've teamed up with Use Moonshot and Pre-Rich app to streamline the switch from V-Bucks and Robux to Skibidi toilet coin. Now you can easily purchase Skibidi coins using Apple Pay, PayPal, or even credit debit card directly through the app. So that's a recent tweet here, and they're, you know, just they're very active. Even 3 hours ago, posting some memes and stuff like that on this Twitter here. But so it, like, basically, if you don't want to use a central exchange, you could also get this token off of Raydium. By first of all, you would download a wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get one on your PC, an extension. So you could use a Trust Wallet, Soulflare Wallet, Phantom Wallet. You would fund that wallet with Sol. Now you could fund it with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, and find Raydium. It's possibly available on other Solana dexes too, like Jupiter, Meteora, Orca, etc. But Raydium for sure. You find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for this token using the contract address that you could find right there on their Twitter or on their webpage, skbdi.lol. Now, you can check out the Telegram, linked there, 768 subscribers. You could preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be another great place to see updates regarding this project. If you go to the webpage, it's basically like a full link tree. Twitter, Telegram, Dex screener, buy button, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Moonshot, Pre-Rich, OX Fund, and the contract address. So that's basically what the web page is. According to CoinGecko, this token's up 12.9%. There is a max total supply of 75 million tokens and a total supply and circulating supply of 74,927,365 tokens. And they do have the Sol Scan linked and a whole bunch of links on their Twitter, Telegram. Now, on their Sol Scan, I believe you can also find here a rug check. So far they have 3,845 holders, 9 decimal places on this token. And yeah, they do have a rug check here. We'll have a look at that. And you can find the price, the contract address, market cap, all that on the Sol Scan as well. So the rug check says risk analysis good. It does say mutable metadata though. It also says LP is locked 76.14%. Top holder has 4.16% of the token. So there's no giant whales or anything like that. But go check this token out. Just got listed on Coinex Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.